Farewell Adventures in Derry. Welcome to Derry, where laughter and tears collide in a heartfelt farewell. Join Erin as she navigates the emotions of a funeral, holding back tears while trying to keep it together. Meet Orla, the whimsical friend armed with a retro camcorder, capturing every quirky moment. With Sister Michael reluctantly at the helm, the journey to Europe begins in chaos. As they hit the road, the bus takes them through picturesque landscapes but also peculiar service stations. Every pit stop becomes an adventure, filled with unpredictable encounters and surprises. From London to Paris, the journey is full of philosophical debates and the occasional existential crisis. The views are breathtaking, but it's the journey with friends that makes it unforgettable. Through laughter and tears, they find solace in each other's company during this chaotic adventure. As they reflect on memories, the beauty of friendship shines amidst the chaos. Each stop along the way brings a new lesson, even in the most unpredictable moments. From Parisian cafes to unexpected tunnel chats, each moment is a part of their collective story. As they approach their destination, the bittersweet feeling of home creeps in.
It all begins at Erin's grandfather's funeral. Heavy hearts and mixed emotions fill the air. But hold up, Orla's here with her trusty camcorder from '94, capturing it all for posterity. Erin's trying to channel her grief into her writing, but Orla's antics are a constant distraction. Enter Sister Michael, designated guardian angel for the day, rolling her eyes but ready to take the girls on a trip. And there's the priest with the nice hair. Yes, he's driving the bus across Europe. This trip to Rome, a wild mix of spiritual enlightenment and teenage chaos. Pack your bags, ladies. Sister Michael is about to unleash some serious wisdom on those unsuspecting tourists. Join Erin and Orla as they navigate grief, friendship, and a chaotic journey in this deliciously slice-of-life adventure. Stay tuned as we follow their journey filled with laughter, tears, and a touch of chaos. Will they find closure, or will the chaos take over? Stop in London. Ever wonder what happens when creativity meets chaos? Welcome to a service station just outside London. Meet James, the indie filmmaker in a bucket hat, on a mission to document a unique story. But wait, he's not alone. Here comes Michelle, ready to shake things up with her playlist. Michelle insists on taking over the music, and the tension rises when James mentions explicit tracks. The priest's strict rules clash with youthful rebellion, creating a cinematic moment filled with humor and tension. Caught between creativity and constraints, what will happen next? Welcome to Paris, a city where every corner bursts with unexpected chaos and laughter. Claire is here to experience French culture, but it looks like she's in for quite a ride. Her new roommate? A philosophy major who thinks snails have deep feelings. Things get wild during their dramatic farewell. Let's just say, crepes are involved. But wait, a philosophical debate unfolds at the Eiffel Tower. Can emotions really be a capitalist construct? And just when you think it can't get any better, Sister Michael wins the poetry slam. Join Claire and her quirky crew as they navigate Parisian life with unexpected twists.
The bus rolls south, excitement and tension in the air. Erin's heart races with secrets waiting to unfold. Orla maps out gelato hotspots, her enthusiasm bubbling like the sweetest Italian treat. Erin feels drawn to her destiny, with visions of her grandfather's legacy whispering in her ear. Sister Michael's mutters about wine and existential dread fill the bus. Everyone's inner philosopher is awakened. As they arrive in Rome, a twist awaits. Erin is mistaken for Elena Rossi. What could this mean? With flashbacks from Derry unfolding, secrets and laughter fill the air as they delve deeper into the city.
Join Erin and friends on this whimsical journey and celebrate friendship, laughter, and adventure.